How to save TikTok drafts to gallery without posting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to save your TikTok drafts to your gallery without having to post it publicly, I'll show you guys how you can do that. Go over to TikTok, then you can find your drafts down below. So just tap on the plus icon. You can select any picture from there, or you can just head over to profile at the bottom right, and you can find drafts over here. Tap on the first draft. Now let's say if you want to save this draft, what you can do is click on it, and then before you post it, go over to everyone can view this post. Instead, just select only you, and then on more option, you can just tap on save to device. Toggle this option, and you should be able to save this once you post it privately. So tap on post, and then tap on post video, and you should be able to find that in your gallery. So that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.